Well, look, we've seemingly been working on this sort of survey instrument around on-shelf availability for it feels like 2 or 3 months. But why are we doing this survey? What do you hope to get out of it?
Well, this is a good question. Thank you so much. Yeah, well, sometimes these things take a little longer because we want it to be good. We have only we want to have interesting questions, and everybody should be excited to actually take the time and do this survey. But coming back to your question, you see, we're now 6 quarterly meetings into the ECR OSA working group, and it's time to take stock of where we are, recap a little bit, and build out the future agenda. And for this, the idea of a survey is good because we can actually capture what we've discussed so far, and we can look ahead, and we can find out what is the state of the art.
Yeah, well, we've had some great input from big companies, from Walmart, from Tesco's, and from others. So I think it's a really good survey as well, and there should be some really good headlines out of it, especially around the signals. We're looking particularly at that, right?
Yeah, because you see, to me, I think one of the great advantages of such a survey is that we can find out what really improves on-shelf availability. And we can also maybe demystify some of the technologies. There's lots of talk about new tech, but some of the things that we've heard are contradictory. And if you have a couple of data points that go in, opposite directions, it's time to take stock and ask a lot of people what they actually think. So, as you pointed out, our survey looks at different signals, like a picker, cameras, AI, inventory records, all these other things that people are using to detect and predict out of stocks. And what we're trying to find out is, what signals are used for what context, what works best, what is the performance, which investments are necessary, so people can make much better, much more informed decisions about which technology and which method they actually want to use.
Yeah, it shouldn't take long, right? I think it's a pretty short survey. It's just for retailers, right?
It's just for retailers, and it's not like half a minute, but it's worth it because you see what we're going to do is we're going to take all these answers and write a report. First, we're going to do a sort of a pre-report and present some of the findings, and then we'll eventually write that up, maybe add a couple of little caselets, and then this should become the study of 22, 20, 24, 25 that people will be referring to when they make their investments on-shelf availability and organizational transformation.
Well, I can't wait. The QR code should be coming up now. Really appreciate everyone taking the time to fill this in. Thanks,
that's
Daniel.
actually, thank you so much. I also want to thank you, but I also want to thank all the people that are considering taking this survey. And be assured, it's worth it. You're going to get something in return that will help you, improve your business.
Thanks, Daniel. Bye-bye.
Thanks.